Imagine this. Your car breaks down on the way to work. The repair bill? $1,200. Your paycheck won't cover it, your credit card is maxed out, and you're left scrambling. Sound familiar? This is why an emergency fund is a must-have, not a luxury. In this video, I'm going to break down why you need an emergency fund, how much you should save, and the fastest way to build one, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to protect yourself from financial disasters. Today, we're talking about emergency funds, your financial safety net that could save you from sleepless nights and money stress. What is an emergency fund? An emergency fund is a stash of money set aside specifically for unexpected expenses. Think medical emergencies, job loss, sudden car repairs, or home fixes. It's not for vacations, new gadgets, or shopping sprees. This money is there to keep you afloat when life throws a curveball. Why you need one. ASAP life is unpredictable. Emergencies happen when you least expect them. Having a safety net means you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans when they do. Avoid debt traps. Without an emergency fund, most people end up borrowing money at high interest rates, making the financial burden even worse. Peace of mind. Knowing you have money set aside helps you sleep better at night, reducing financial anxiety, prevents financial setbacks. Instead of struggling for months after an emergency, you can recover quickly and move forward. How much should you save? A good rule of thumb is to have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses saved up. But if you're just starting, don't panic. Start small and build up gradually. Here's a quick breakdown. Beginner goal, $500 to $1,000 for minor emergencies. Intermediate goal, 3 months of expenses. Ultimate goal, 6 to 12 months of expenses. If your monthly expenses are $2,000, a 3-month emergency fund means $6,000 saved. But if that feels overwhelming, start with just $500 and work your way up. How to build an emergency fund. Fast set a realistic goal. Decide how much you want to save and by when. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to a separate savings account each time you get paid. Cut unnecessary expenses, cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home, and avoid impulse purchases. Find extra income sources. Sell unused items, start a side hustle, or pick up freelance work. Use windfalls wisely. Tax refunds, bonuses, or unexpected cash should go straight into your emergency fund. Where to keep your emergency fund. High-yield savings account. Keeps your money accessible while earning some interest. Money market account. A safe place with slightly higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. Not in stocks or bonds. Your emergency fund should not be at risk of market fluctuations. When to use your emergency fund? Your emergency fund is only for true financial emergencies, such as medical bills not covered by insurance, car or home repairs, job loss or reduced income, unexpected travel for family emergencies. Avoid dipping into it for vacations, new clothes, or non-essential purchases. The goal is to protect your financial stability. Conclusion: building an emergency fund is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. It's your financial cushion, your safety net, and your peace of mind. If you haven't started yet, take action today. Even $10 a week can make a difference over time. The power of compounding is not to be underestimated. I've created a video related to it. See you in another video.